I want a new job. I want to read this book. I want to try that restaurant. I want to learn to cook. I want a day off. I want to see the ocean. I want to meet new people. I want a bigger house. I want to take a vacation. I want to learn English. I want a cup of coffee. I want to go home. I want to travel the world. I want to buy a new phone. I want to improve my English. I want to eat something sweet. I want to watch a movie tonight. I want to visit my family.
I need a new laptop. I need to study for the test. I need some fresh air. I need to clean my room. I need a break. I need to buy groceries. I need your opinion. I need a good night's sleep. I need to solve this problem. I need help with this. I need more time. I need to finish my work. I need some rest. I need to call my friend. I need a glass of water. I need your advice. I need more information. I need to leave now.